Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna cover what a global variable and what a local variable is. So let's begin. So first, let's create three functions. So okay, first, yeah, second and third. Okay. Now it gives me a syntax error, and maybe you will need it sometimes. So if you type pass, um, it means that you don't have to type anything right now in the function in order not to have a syntax error. So yeah, maybe sometimes you need it. Okay, so first let's create here a variable. So this variable will be global, and it will be stored as global var. Alright, now I am a global var. If we type here I don't know, print global, and here global, and actually not print it here in the third, so let's go our functions first and second. Now if we run it, you see that they can print it, right? Maybe you're not surprised, but now let's see what a local variable is. So local would be equal to I am a local var. Now if we print it here and print it here, and let's use the third function here as well, you can see that it gives us an unresolved reference. Let's run it, and as you can see, it gives us an error. And why is that? Well, as you can see here, the LCL variable is stored here within that function. If you try to reference that LCL variable outside of this function, then it is an unresolved reference. Hard to say that. So yeah, basically that's it. And if I let me show you what a pass is. If I run that, it should give me an error. Yeah, it gives me an error, but now if I type pass, should be okay. Yeah. So yeah, if you just want sometimes to define a function and to say, you know what, I'm gonna use it afterwards, so let me just type the name and parameters and just type pass. So yeah, this was an extra stuff to learn in this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.